Okay. Vaishali ma'am, can I start?
Okay, sir.
Can I
Yes,
start?
yes, sir. You can start, sir.
Okay. Thank you, everybody. Uh, First, I would like to welcome everybody to the International Telecollaboration Project between India and Bangladesh teacher. Here you can see the flag of two countries, Bangladesh and India. Okay, it's me, Ibnul Hassan Tushar, and assistant teacher English, Ranachandi School and College, Kishorganj, Nilphamari, Bangladesh. That you know in the previous session. Um, then it's the telecollaboration project team here. Vaishali ma'am, then Kinda ma'am. I really miss Kinda ma'am in this session. Okay, then Hosnera Khatun ma'am, Rupa Mollik ma'am, and it's me, Ibnul Hassan Tushar. Uh, then this is the five session of this project, and it's related to SDG 3, good health and well-being. Okay, good health and well-being. I am going to discuss about the good health and well-being. Okay, the first session is name is free time and my culture. Now I am going to discuss about my free time and culture. Okay, my am every like every people, I would like to enjoy my free time. So my hobby is traveling. So when I have time, free time, then I try to travel here and there with my friends or family members and or colleagues. And I used to travel in the historical place, basically. Okay, the number two I like to do in my free time. Really, I enjoy it. I engage myself in gossiping in my free time with my friends or my students or colleagues, or now the pandemic situation with my uh, family members, and I pass very much time with my lovely beloved son, and I gossip with him in my room. Okay, music do I like? Really, I love very much music, and the folk song is my favorite song. Bangladesh, there are many uh, folk singer in Bangladesh, and Bangladeshi folk song is uh, famous in the world. You know. Okay, number four, travel anywhere. I have no specific uh, choice for traveling. When I have time, I travel anywhere with someone, or sometimes I would like to travel individually. So I have no specific choice. If I have time, I travel many places. It may historical or any other places. Okay, I would like to go. In uh, you guys are you the teachers of India uh, uh, live in the Maharashtra, so I think you don't know about the Tista virus, but who the Indian teachers are live in the Kolkata, they know about the Tista virus very much. So I I used to go Tista when I have time, and it's a historical place in our region or locality. So I would like to go Tista in several times. Okay, finally, when you have travel, I have I have no specific time. When I have free time, then I used to go travel. That's all for my free time and my culture. And now I'd like to discuss about the culture. You see some pictures of our Bangladeshi cultures, especially in your region. Okay, you can see a picture of dancing here. Here they perform in the marriage ceremony. Actually, in the marriage ceremony, in our region, peoples are sing some traditional song, or they perform some traditional dances here. Okay, the next is the like every people of every country, we are the Bangladeshis are very much um, very they love very their country very much, because we get Bangladesh after a bloody war in 1971. That duration is 9 months. You know, all of my guys. Okay, it's a picture of 21st century of language movement of Bangladesh, and we perform this, and we arrange various programs in these days. Okay, then the third is it's a traditional singer, that means folk singer. It's a tradition, it's a tradition of Bangladesh. And the final is we sometimes we arrange various traditional uh, activities, co-curriculum activities in our premises of our schools and the stadiums also. So it's a picture of our cultural program are held in this uh, program. So it is a picture of like that. Okay, then fourth number, you can see a picture here. Our man, our ancient people of Bangladesh are used to use this uh, plong also. In Bangla, it's called, we call langol, and we used to agriculture purpose. We use it in the agriculture purpose. I think Kunda ma'am may join, Vishali ma'am. I'd mute yourself. Okay, I just carry on. Then you can see a picture of various traditional food. First, the picture of it's a picture of traditional food. Ilish, panta ilish, that we call in Bangla. It's panta ilish, and we eat in the first day of first day of the Boishak, month of Boishak, that we call Pohela Boishak, and it's called the Bhapa Pitha. Bhapa Pitha, it's the Padishapta Pitha, and many other traditional pithas that you can see in the screen. And then we can see a picture of Pohela Boishak. It's a tradition of Bangladesh, Pohela Boishak, and it's organized in the first day of month of Boishak. It's named the Mongol Shobhajatra. It's named the Mongol Shobhajatra in Bangla actually. Okay, the last number is it's a tradition of Bengali. It's a tradition of Bengali culture. We usually we arrange this arrange this occasion in the first day of Pohela, first day of month of Boishak, that called Pohela Boishak. Okay, now I would like to discuss about our main topic, good health and well-being. Okay, good health and well-beings are it's actually ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all, that all ages. Okay, and there are some number of the good health and well-being. First is reduce neonatal nationality rate to 12% and 100 live births. The second is reduce under 5 mortality rate to 25%, 100 live births. Third is to reduce the maternal mortality ratio to 70%, uh, on like live births. Reduce death rate due to road traffic injuries to 1.2%, and 1 lakh people, that call SDG indicator 3.6.1. Okay, am I audible, Vaishali ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
yes.
thank you. I just carry on. Okay, then there are three goals. There are some targets of goal number three, that called good health and well-being. Uh, Target number one, by 2030, reduce the global maternal mortality ratio to less than 70% on like lab births. Then in preventable deaths of newborns and child under 5 years of age. End epidemic of AIDS, tuberculosis, malaria, and neglected tropical diseases, and combat hepatitis.
1 minute, sir.
Okay,
1 minute, sir. Salim, sir, please mute yourself.
I
Salim,
meet.
sir.
Oh, Salim sir.
Okay, okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so continue.
Okay, thank you. On third parameter, mortality from on non-communicable diseases through prevention and treatment and promote mental health and well-being. Number five, strengthen the prevention and treatment of substance abuse, including narcotic drug abuse and harmful use of alcohol. Bangladeshi government, you know, guys, Bangladeshi government are take various initiatives and take many steps to prevent and treatment of substance abuse, including narcotic drug abuse and harmful use of alcohol already. And I think Bangladesh government are successfully in this program. Okay, number six, by 2020, Vision 2020, okay, halve the number of global deaths and injuries from road traffic accidents. It's sorry to say that Bangladesh, every day Bangladesh, there are many Bangladeshis are dead for traffic accidents. So Bangladesh governments take various initiatives to remove these traffic accidents and try to save our people. Okay, by 2030, ensure universal access to sexual and reproductive health care services. Actually, every day here, many girls or many women are face the sexual harassment. So Bangladesh government try to raise consciousness and try to give some information and make some laws against the sexual harassment. Okay, number eight, ACP universal health coverage, including financial risk protection, access to quality, essential healthcare services, and access to safe, effective, quality, and affordable essential medicines and vaccines for all. Okay, in this point, I would like to share here Bangladeshi government try to vaccinate all the peoples of Bangladesh, especially for the COVID-19 vaccine. And I also take the vaccine, and already I take the second doses of vaccine and take my certificate. I think it's a great achievement or great initiatives or great steps of Bangladesh government. I just salute the Bangladesh governments for for these initiatives. Okay, number nine, by 2030, substantially reduce the number of deaths and illness from hazardous chemicals and air, water and soil pollution and contamination. Okay, in this situation, Bangladesh government also takes up initiatives for the environmental issue, and government. Besides the government, we also try to make our environment pollution free, and we also try to raise consciousness to our students for the environmental issue. Vishali man and all of my lovely guys, thank you very much for your precious time. Thank you very much. Okay, that's all.
Thank you so much, sir. Your PPT is also very good and explanation is very nice, sir. Means you have taken all parts, points in this PPT. Okay, and very nice, sir, presentation.
Thank you, ma'am. I just make you.
Please make me host, sir.
Okay. Okay, done, ma'am. You just carry on, please.
Okay. Salim, sir, can you say something about it?
Salim sir, give us some valuable information about your culture or your free time. What are you doing in your free time? No, we can hear you.
Mhm.
You just remove your headphone.
Salim,
Remove your headphone and speak with us. We can't listen you.
Thank you.
Okay. It's
okay,
clear
sir.
now.
Okay, thank you. So, at first, take my salam. So, I first introduce. My name is Selim Jahangir, lecturer, Dimla Islamia Degree College and ICT Puri District Ambassador. Also, my hobby is video editing and games, some naturals, sports. So, so in this meeting, I am really happy to join with us for the particularly the two countries are a very important side to topics to Ibn Hassan Tushar and other cultural activities of the education for the two countries relative in the many important effort for the we learn. I say that the Bangladesh is a very populated country to reasonable our pandemic situation to COVID-19. In this situation, to cultural activities are so difficult to open. I think that this is a virtually is a good platform for two countries invitation and the cultural and other activities. So, Boishali, ma'am, to thanks to join with you. I am really happy and too glad to about the effort that talk to some and learn in this platform. So, thank you so much. Any questions for me? If you answer me, और हिंदी ते उस बात जो यदि आप कहते चाहता है किस मैं try करता हूँ.
Okay, thank you, sir. I'm also very glad to meet you, sir. Now you can ask me some questions, me or
Okay,
others. You can also ask us.
You can ask her by in Hindi. Salim Jahangir sir.
तो मैं पहचानू हूँ जो आप कौन महाराष्ट्र व राष्ट्र में रहता है और इसके प्लेटफॉर्म का हम क्या लर्न करता है जो इस प्लेटफॉर्म में इफेक्टिव टीचर ने और स्टूडेंट ने और कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज ने अबाउट द इस प्लेटफॉर्म टू डिस्कसिंग विथ मी.
Sir, please pardon, sir, please.
Vaishali ma'am,
मैं कहना चाहता हूँ
he
जो
want to
आप इस
say,
प्लेटफॉर्म पे
he want to know about your culture and he
कितनी
want to
बार
know where are you from.
Okay. Yes, I am Vaishali Bhamre. I am live in Maharashtra, and there have Nasik district in Maharashtra. And I am primary teacher in NMC school, Nasik Municipal Corporation. And here Kunda ma'am is also with us. She is also she is my colleague, and she is also in my school. And Urmila Ushir ma'am, she is also live in Nasik in Maharashtra, and she is also but she is working in ZP school.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, I will share some PPTs, and then you can know about our culture, sir.
Yes. You please share your PPTs, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Hello, Kunda ma'am.
Hello, sorry, I'm quite late. Means too late.
Really, we miss you.
Thank you.
Everyone
Sorry,
miss you, Kunda.
Thank you so much. I also missed you, so I joined this meeting. I have another meeting on another laptop.
Okay. Here, my colleagues, actually not colleagues, he work in another college actually. Salim Jahangir, you can see. Introduce yourself, please, Kunda ma'am.
Yes. Hello, sir. Salim, sir.
जी नमस्ते।
Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
You are
तो
from,
आप कैसे हो?
wow, you know Hindi. You are from Bangladesh.
Yes, yes, yes.
जी जी यस यस, मेरा नाम सेलिम जहांगीर है और मैं एक कॉलेज का पढ़ाता हूँ और किस कुछ में कास्ट करता हूँ जो जो ऐसा लगा मुझे बहुत इंटरटेनमेंट करता है। मेरा हॉबी है वीडियो एडिटिंग और मैं खेलते बहुत पसंद करता हूँ और आपको मुझे अच्छा लगा तो आपका इंट्रोड्यूस मैं चाहता हूँ जो आप क्या करते हैं और आपका हॉबी क्या है और आपका कल्चरल क्या है, इस बारे में एक क्वेश्चन करता हूँ। आप प्लीज आंसर मी।
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Myself, Kunja James Bachchao. I'm from India. I'm a teacher in Nasik Corporation School. पिछले 15 साल से मैं इस सेवा में हूँ। मुझे अच्छा लगता है स्टूडेंट के साथ ज्यादा से ज्यादा टाइम बिताना और कल ही हमारा इंट्रोडक्शन सेशन हुआ। एज तुषार सर नोज आई लाइक लिसनिंग सॉन्ग्स एंड आल्सो सिंगिंग। दैट इज माय हॉबीज। और बाकी कुछ नहीं। एज अ टीचर आई एम वेरी हैप्पी
Kunda ma'am,
in my
Kunda
yes
ma'am.
sir yes
Uh,
yes
I want to say today, you and Salim Jahangir sir, please sing a song in any time. Okay, now Bhishali ma'am, please share your PPT, please.
Okay, sir.
okay
Okay, okay.
thank you so much. Tushar sir is also very active teacher. We are seeing their ppts daily. His activities are too much best and it is a guidance for us, for our Indian teachers. Thank you so much, Tushar. Thank you so much, Salim sir. Thank you. Okay, Vaishu, please go ahead.
Okay, thank you, Kunda ma'am, and thank you, Salim sir. Now we are going to present. I'm going to present our PPT. Our session is 5th session. Here are Urmila teacher is our new colleague, and she are in our session. She is in our session.
But we can't see her.
Okay, Urmila, please on your video.
My network is so poor because therefore I can't open a camera.
Okay, ma'am.
Sorry.
Okay.
From
Okay, okay.
Urmila, for a minute you have to show your face to us because they want to see you. You will do a proper makeup.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
okay, dear, no problem.
And now, Tushar sir, you are satisfied on only photo.
yes, yes.
From today there is a rule. You have to compulsory on your video. Then you can present your PPT. Okay, for everyone.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, definitely.
Okay.
Only 10 minutes are remaining. I will suggest, I will tell you, only 10 minutes are remaining when our meeting is end, and then you start on this
Vaishu?
link. Huh?
इनेबल एडिटिंग मध्ये वरती दिसतंय बघ, इनेबल एडिटिंग, तिथे
Yes,
क्लिक
yes.
कर ना.
Enable
म्हणजे
editing.
Enable editing वर जा.
वरती बघ,
तुला
वरती
ते
इनेबल
करायचं का?
एडिटिंग ऑप्शन
हो, मग
दिसतोय
तिथे
बघ.
टायमिंग राहिलाय ना, 9 मिनिटाचा टायमिंग आहे फक्त.
नाही नाही
नाही
नाही
गं, तिला
आपल्या
edit
पीपीटी नाही नाही एडिट नाही
Enable editing.
म्हणजे
Yes,
स्क्रीन दिसेल ना मोठी.
मोठी हा स्क्रीन मोठी दिसेल.
इथं काय सगळ्यात
मिनिमाइज झाली.
डावीकडे वरती जा. वैशू डावीकडे वरती जा, सगळ्यात स्क्रीन
हो,
मोठी
हो.
करायला.
आता दिसतंय.
हा ओपन, हा येस येस मॅक्सिमाइज.
Okay,
ओके.
okay. Now our sessions is what, sir?
Carry on, please.
Carry
Okay.
on.
Our SDG goal number 3, good health and well-being. Here we can see the sign good health and well-being. And when we are doing these activities, at that time our health is very good. See free time and your culture. Here are some free times when we spend our free times, and then our culture. See here, our culture. Um, I do gathering, gardening, and I do cartwheels, but I cannot do cartwheels. I only copy the this from our Google, but I show you कि we can do it our free time. I do yoga. This is my hobby. I do poetry. I like to write poetry, but sometimes I wish when I want to I have a very main point, and at that time I do poetry. I like to solve puzzles. I learn a new language, like to learn new language. I ride my bike. I'm not like to ride. I'm not like to ride on horse because I'm afraid of. I like climb mountains. I like it. And this is my hobby.
And we all want to learn new language from Bengali teachers. I don't know when they will start their teaching for it.
Free time. In free time, I like to read books. And Marathi, I like to read Marathi books very much. I do yoga, listen to music. And when I am free, I like to clean the house. This is also my hobby, clean the house. And cooking is also my hobby. And when I am free, I like to take rest. Rest is more important for us. So I like to take rest. This is also my hobby. And now we are going to discuss about our culture. These are the Indian cultures, these are the cultures. Here are the languages in India, languages, medical cure, religion, child rear methods, food, folk arts, celebrations, jokes, manners, clothes, dressing, and working schedules. These are our cultures. Um, uh, Languages in India, there are 29 states. Every state has their language. In Maharashtra, we are talking in Marathi, and Marathi is our mother tongue. Medical cure in India, there have the author in Ayurveda. In Ayurveda is a very important in our India. All the foreign culture also take our Ayurvedic skills from our India, and religions. Every state has their religion, and India there have the Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christian, all types of religion in our India. Food, I show you the last session food in India. And folk art, there are in Maharashtra there have Lezim is a folk art, and Launi is also in Marathi there have Launi is also folk art. Celebration, we are celebrate birthday celebration, and then marriage ceremony. All things are we are celebrating, or jokes are also our culture. And manners, we are when we are meeting, we are say namaste, ram ram in Marathi. These are also our manners. And dress and clothes, these are also cultural. And working schedules, these are in our involved in our um,
Culture.
Indian culture. India is the land of different variety of religions and caste with its own features and attributes. Indians believes that they are fortunate to have rich traditions and culture. The advancement in India can be seen in medicine, mathematics, science, technology, architecture, and many more. India has been deeply attached to its roots of the old culture. um, जीरो का शोध ये हमारे इंडिया में ही लगा है. And over the centuries, there has been a significant fusion of cultures between Buddhists, Hindus, Muslims, Jains, Sikhs, and various tribal populations in India. India is the birthplace of Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism, and other religions. They are collectively known as Indian religions. You see, here are the Hindu philosophy. See the picture. And here are the Jain philosophies. The second picture. India is a land of unity of diversity, and our dances are no different. Uh, Different forms of dance classified as a folk or classical find origin from different parts of the country, and they are a way to representation of the particular culture from which they originate. 8 classical dances which are classified as Indian classical dances and find a mention in the Hindu Sanskrit text uh, Natyashastra. It's called Natyashastra. Bharatnatyam from Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu state in our India, and their folk dance is means there are Bharatnatyam, and then Kathakali from Kerala, Kathak from northwest and central India is also Mohini Natyam from Kerala, Kuchipudi from Andhra Pradesh, Odissi from Orissa, and Manipuri from Manipur, and Satriya from Assam. These are the dance forms in our India. And see the some pictures in near them. And here we can see Indian festivals, famous Indian festivals. You can see here are the Raksha Bandhan is our festival. Only 1 minute, you can join same link. And then they are in Punjab, they are doing Bhangra. The color of Holi's festival is color. And here are Eid Mubarak and Ganpati festival. You see that there is Ganpati nahi tha, na? Here is the Ganpati festival.
Mahashivratri, I think so.
Colored drenched gopis during the holy celebrations in Krishna temple Mathura. You see the picture, there is the Holi. Holi is our festival, and you see here the God Ganesh. Do you know God Ganesh? Tushar sir? No? In Hindu Sanskriti, there are in India.
No,